Hey everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to still work on things. I have hiccups again. They're really bad. Anyway, I'm reaching out to other reactors to see what they can do for me. I don't want to invest a ton of money. I just went out and spent that $300 on that camera. It was too confusing for me to use. Too confusing. So now what I'm doing is I'm reaching out to other reactors, saying, please help me. There's got to be somebody out there with a kind heart that can tell me if there's a software I can purchase. Excuse me, I don't care about editing. I just want to do picture-in-picture so that I can do reviews. That's all I want to do, guys. I want to do some reviews, some reviews, some reactions, and have some fun with y'all. And right now I can't because my app completely will not work. And these hiccups, son of a bitch. It's because I had pineapple on my pizza. See what I see. Bye.